In this lesson, I will tell you how to install Metamask. This needs to be your first step because without Metamask, you will not be able to complete the steps I will provide for you to create and mint your own NFTs. Now, before we begin, let me tell you what Metamask is. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet that also serves as a gateway to connect with blockchain apps. What you're going to see is that Metamask will be your connector between whatever you do on your browser with the different blockchain apps you're going to be working with, the different marketplaces, the different places where they have NFTs. All of these things will require Metamask for the purposes of this lesson. Now, what it works is as a browser extension or as a mobile app. That is, you can download Metamask and you can install it as an extension on your browser. It works with a lot of different browsers. It works with Chrome, it works with Brave, it works with Firefox, it works with Edge. I will show you how to install it on Chrome, but if you wish to install it on any of those other browsers, it also has an available version for them. It is also available as a mobile app. However, I do not recommend that you do it as a mobile app because you're going to be creating NFTs. And I don't want you working with a small little screen trying to work through these steps. So my recommendation to you is to install Metamask as a browser extension and use it on your computer, whether it's a desktop, whether it's a laptop. But I want you to have a place where you have a good monitor where you're going to be able to work and create your own NFTs. What Metamask enables you to do is buy, store, send, and swap tokens. So it works as a cryptocurrency wallet. What that means is that as you get tokens, whether they're ERC20 tokens or you can get your NFTs, you can store them inside Metamask. It serves as your wallet. But the best part about it all is that you can also get Ethereum because you're going to need Ether to be able to pay for the various services that you're going to be working on. The best part about it all is that Metamask gives you a simple and secure way to connect with blockchain applications. So when you want to interact with these different blockchain applications, say for example, a marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible, or maybe you want to work with CryptoKitties, or perhaps you want to get in contact and connect with your MyEther wallet, or you want to connect with your hardware wallet. Metamask serves as a simple and secure way to connect with all those blockchain applications. Best part about Metamask is that your passwords and your keys are generated on your device, and this is for the purposes of privacy. The last thing you want is to be generating passwords and keys on somebody else's servers because you're basically at the risk that they could steal your cryptocurrency. You don't want that to happen, so MetaMask lets you generate your passwords and your keys on your own device for the purposes of privacy. In a nutshell, MetaMask is a very easy way to connect and work with NFT marketplaces and with your NFTs. I will now walk you through the steps of installing MetaMask on your Chrome browser. To begin the process of installing MetaMask, you need to go to metamask.io. That is the official MetaMask website. Anything else will be perhaps a phishing attempt. Somebody could try to hack you. Just make sure you go to metamask.io where you can install the MetaMask browser extension. So the key thing I want to put to you is that this will be essential to you for every single one of the steps that we're going to go through in this course. So make sure you install MetaMask. For the course, I will now be installing it on Chrome. So key things I want to point out to you. This is the MetaMask website. You get some information on them. And you need to go to the tab that says Download. You can go Download now. Let's go right here. So now you have a choice. You can go to Chrome, iOS, Android, all these choices. I'm installing it on Chrome. However, the browser extension is also available for Chrome, for Firefox, for Brave, and for Edge. For the purposes of this installation, I will be doing it on Chrome as I mentioned. You can feel free to use whichever one you need for your browser. So the process is very simple. You install the MetaMask for Chrome, you're taken to the Chrome Web Store in this case, and you have the opportunity to add to Chrome. Once you click on that, the system will tell you the opportunity to read and change all your data. It tells you what MetaMask will do. This is what everybody does. So what you need to do is add extension. It will then start the process of installing the browser extension on your browser. So the process is very, very simple once the browser extension has been installed in your Chrome browser. This little fox will be your best friend once you get to use MetaMask. You click on Get Started. You will then be presented the opportunity to either start and recreate a seed phrase, which would mean that you've already installed MetaMask in the past and your MetaMask crashed and you may have actually lost your MetaMask. So you want to recreate all the contents of your MetaMask wallet. This is very important because if you ever have a problem in the future, with your seed phrase, you can get everything back. So even if your hard drive were to crash and you actually lost everything, you can always recreate MetaMask by using the seed phrase. What we're going to do now is create a brand new MetaMask because you're installing it for the first time. So we will go to the Yes, Let's Get Set Up, which will create a brand new wallet with a seed phrase. Let's go through this process. When you click on Create a New Wallet, you have the opportunity you're presented to help us improve MetaMask. This will actually let you share some information with MetaMask to make them better. You have the option, if you wish, to actually keep your privacy. In this choice, I will actually just select No Thanks. You have the choice to choose I agree. I will do the No Thanks. I will now create a password for a fake browser that I'm going to be, for a fake wallet that I'm going to use for you. This is a throwaway MetaMask wallet that I'm creating for you for the purposes of this course. All the information that I'm showing you, this is just for the purposes of the course. I would not share with you any of this information. So at this moment, you create your own password. And I will agree to the terms and conditions. So now you will be presented with your secret backup phrase. Remember I told you about the backup phrase that we have to create when we're preparing MetaMask? This is very important because right now you will see the secret words. You will be presented with your own secret words. So what's going to happen is for this specific installation of MetaMask for this Chrome browser, I will now reveal the words. I will be writing those down just like you need to write them yourself. What you see right now is the secret backup phrase for this install that I am doing right now. You will have a different set of words presented to you. Make sure you copy them. I will not be using this wallet for anything of value. This is just for the installation purposes. And I want you to just understand that you're going to have to write down those words so that you do not lose them. Your next step after you get those words is that you're going to have to confirm that you actually got those words. So I did write them down and I know exactly the order in which they are. You have your own words and you're going to have to do the same. Once you have selected the order of all the words, you will then be able to confirm. And congratulations, you've installed MetaMask on your browser. This will be the step you need to do first before you do anything else in this specific course.